Hi all, if you're looking for a solution for your West Elm furniture that's contract grade but is very absorbent of any kind of water or any kind of spill, I found a really great solution, and I'm going to share a link in the description below to what this is. But this has been a game changer because we recently purchased this contract grade West Elm table, which I really love because the design is great. It's really easy to clean underneath. But if you have any children that like to do art projects or make a big mess, then it's very stressful having the table without any type of protection. So what I did was I went online and I found this really awesome 2 millimeter thick mat that actually is cut basically almost perfectly sized to my table. They actually come in a variety, like almost 200 different sizes. So this is a really great solution, and you can actually cut this to make it fit perfectly. We're still waiting for it to settle a little bit before we actually cut it, but this makes it so I can actually just use my vinegar cleaning spray and my microfiber cloth to clean up after everyone's had dinner, and I don't have to worry about any type of spills or any type of damage happening to the table. That is to say, as long as people keep the mat down. Sometimes my kids actually want to pull the mat up, but other than that, this is actually a really great option because I'm looking online for how to make sure that this table doesn't get destroyed. And honestly, ChatGPT said basically just wipe up stuff immediately and don't put any type of clear coat on it because it already has like a finish, and so you'll ruin the table. And there basically wasn't any other option. So I was really disappointed because a friend of mine had actually purchased one of these, and she actually said she sent it back because she was trying to clean marker off of it and it just totally ruined the finish. So anyways, I was determined to keep this table, and having this vinyl cover really is a game changer because now I don't have to worry about cleaning up spills immediately. My son recently just did some watercolor paints on this table, and we just even had a little placemat, which wasn't totally necessary, but he was able to even do watercolor at this table without totally destroying it. So check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase this, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.